Hello, I am the Golgi apparatus. I am also known as the Golgi complex or the Golgi body, but you can call me Golgi for short. I am running for mayor of Cell City in the 2018 election. My main function is that I process and bundle proteins and lipids to be synthesized in the cell. In simpler terms, I modify, sort, and package proteins to be sent out to each of the organelles. Unlike the cytoplasm, I work for both the plants and the animal cell. Here, I will show you how I work. The CIS is where I receive vesicles from the ER, or the endoplasmic reticulum. Once they get to my CIS space, they fuse to my membrane and empty their contents into my lumen. In the lumen, I modify molecules, then sort them to be transported to their designated spot. The lumen is inside of my cisternae. That is the layers you see here. Now that you know what I do, you're probably wondering what is so special about them? Well, let me tell you. 1. I interact with nearly every other cell organelle because nothing is better than teamwork. 2. Without me, important proteins wouldn't be able to go where they're supposed to, which means the other organelles wouldn't be able to operate. And 3. We all know that without each organelle, the cell would die. But without me, those other organelles could die. So, that is why I'm very important. I would like to introduce my Golgi brother, who has been supporting me throughout this whole process. He will be giving a speech to support my campaign.
Thank you, Golgi. I'm here today because my sister told me she would buy me lunch. No, I'm kidding. I'm here to support my sister in her campaign to become mayor of Cell City. She has always been so ambitious, so it doesn't surprise me she's deciding to run for mayor. The way she helps the other organelles function correctly, and how she is always on time in transporting protein, is what gives me confidence that she will be a wonderful mayor. She works for every kind of cell, whether it is an animal cell or a plant cell. She'll work for you and not make you work for her. I'm not saying all this because she's my sister, but because she's the most fit to run after Mr. Nucleus.
Would you rather have a mayor whose job is to keep the cell functioning or whose job is to just clean up and explode if something bad happens?
Quella è una buona domanda. Io dirò, io voglio uno che fa che la cellula funziona.
Would you rather have a mayor who only works for the plants or a mayor who works for both the plant and animal cells?
Prefiero tener un alcalde que cuide las dos cosas, las células del animal y de las plantas.
Thank you.
The answer is simple. Go Golgi or go home.